3 months ago, Alex had no idea that AI would change their life forever. One unfinished assignment, a drained checking account, and a GPA circling the drain, that was reality. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how the smartest students are using AI in 2026 to ace classes and actually make money without burning out. Section 1, Setup 030-200, meet Alex Nguyen, 20, Georgia Tech. Computer science major, Starbucks barista, but 6 months ago. He was on the verge of dropping a core class. Burned out, barely scraping a 2, 8 GPA, $42 in checking, and working late to afford ramen. Sound familiar? It wasn't just stress, it was the feeling of being stuck. AI was everywhere in headlines, but could it really help
A regular student or just another distraction? His turning point. A late night Reddit thread, Best AI Tools for College, 2026 edition. 000 upvotes. People posting wild results. Alex was skeptical but desperate. Decided 90 days all in on AI. Track every dollar, every hour saved. Let the numbers speak. Been a cliffhanger, but he had no idea just how bumpy this ride would get. Section 2, Rising Action 200-400 for Stop Genius Scribe. $15/month. Alex dumps in his reading 204 assignment instantly, a summary with key points, citations, reading time saved. Over 3 hours a week. He tries QuizWhiz AI. In 2026, it's everywhere. Alex uploads lecture notes. QuizWhiz spits out personalized quizzes, flashcards, even mock tests that matches upcoming midterm. And for notes, Notion AI 2026 now with real-time transcription and auto-generated study guide. During lectures, Alex taps on his phone, the AI filters out noise, tags key terms, builds a revision plan as the class happens. By week 2, grades start ticking up, stress down. Alex reports saving 9 hours in the first week alone. That's almost a full workday. Here's the twist. Could these same tools boost his income too? Minute cliffhanger. That's when Alex stumbles on a skill stack, auto up and study stream, but more on that in a minute. Section 3, Complications 400-600. Here's where it gets interesting. First problem, AI plagiarism detectors in 2026 are ruthless. Alex copies a draft summary straight from Genius Scribe. His professor flags it 99% AI generated. Academic warning. He panics. Second problem, AI overwhelm. So many tools, Genius Scribe, Notion AI, QuizWhiz, Voice Note 3, one each with hundreds of settings. Alex spends hours just configuring apps, not studying. Most dangerous AI hallucination. Notion AI occasionally inserts fake citations. QuizWhiz once generated a test question that was totally wrong. In a cliffhanger, it almost derailed his plan, but what happened next changed everything. Section 4, Climax 600-700, time for the big reveal, the dollar numbers. By mid-semester, Alex finds Study Stream, community where students monetize AI meets study guide. He posts a bundle for Chem 201, makes $40 in his first day. By week 4, he's at $287. Then Skill Stack Auto Up, a resume/portfolio generator that pulls verified skills from your AI study history. Alex applies to 3 remote internships, 2 callbacks. Lands a $15/hour part-time gig tutoring using, you guessed it, his own AI-made lesson plans. His GPA up, bank account positive for the first time in a year. The real surprise is coming. Section 5, Resolution 700-800. Did every AI magic bullet work? Know some tools overhyped. You like AutoWriter Ultra, push generic essays that always got flat. The right combo, Genius Scribe for reading, QuizWhiz for active recall, Notion AI for notes, Study Stream plus Skill Stack for monetization, and Voice Note 3.
One for lectures that actually work. For 90 days, here's the breakdown. GPA 2, 8 radar 03, 7-11 free hours per week, gain $742 made potential, not guaranteed. 0 drop in actual learning if you're a student in 2026 and want to outsmart studying and start earning. There's no magic, but the right AI stack changes everything. Not financial advice. Always use your own brain. AI is a tool, not a crutch. If this helped, subscribe for real AI tool breakdowns every week and tap to watch our next video. AI fails students still fall for in 2026. Trust me, you don't want to repeat Alex's early mistakes.